Hey guys, it's Lindy. Welcome back to my channel. I am just pulling some items that sold yesterday on Facebook, and I figured I would maybe, I don't know, share with you guys some of the items that sold yesterday, and I also want to talk about something. Oh my gosh, so did you guys hear? If you didn't hear, I'm going to tell you, and I think there's a discussion here because I think a lot of selling platforms can learn something from this because I think it's a real missed opportunity for a lot of these online selling platforms. What am I talking about? This is what I'm talking about. I got a notification today that Whatnot is going 0 fees. Yes, now, before everybody gets excited and starts jumping up and down and wants to sell on Whatnot, it is only for one day. It's only for Black Friday. For 24 hours over Black Friday, there is no selling fees on the Whatnot platform. And if you're wondering what I'm doing, I am pulling stuff that sold. Over here is stuff that sold yesterday, and so I have to like move it, and I figured I'd just talk to you guys while I did that. If you're at all curious, here's a 8-pack of LED step lights. It sold for $15 on Facebook. And so I really think that a lot of platforms can jump on this train, and I really think that they should. And I don't know, maybe this video is going to be like my desperate attempt to reach out to these other platforms like eBay or Poshmark or Mercari. This is my desperate attempt to reach out and say, if there's anything that you're going to borrow from another website, let it be this, a 0 seller fee promotion for selling on your platform for a limited time. This is a Donama, I think, Donama cervical pillow. So I did end up selling this one for only $13 because it was open box. It's not still sealed, but somebody got a heck of a deal at $13 for this. Because I will tell you, for the first time in a long time, I feel incentivized to sell on Whatnot. I do. And I think that this might be something that these other selling platforms are not thinking about. Tell me, have you seen Poshmark do this? Have you seen Mercari do this? Have you ever seen eBay do this? Because I know I haven't seen eBay do this. Have you seen any other seller platform go 0% fees, if even temporarily, to try to entice people to get on their page to sell? I want to say that there's a couple of new ones out, like I think Jamble is one and District is one. I don't know what their fees are. I think they might have done like limited time, little to no selling fees when they first launched. I don't know if they still do, but the 0% selling fee thing, that's a good idea. That's a real good idea on Whatnot's part. This is a gorgeous, you can't really tell. Maybe I'll put a image up here so you can see it. This is a gorgeous Cozy Luxe king size sage green comforter set. So pretty. It's like, I don't know, $50 or $60 on Amazon, I think. Sold it new in box, well, new open box for 22 bucks. And all this stuff that I'm telling you, it sold within the same day. So all this stuff went live yesterday, and I'm filming this the next day, and these are already sold, and most of them are already paid for. So this stuff sold fast, which is another reason why I wanted to share them with you and not just talk about the whole 0 seller fee thing. I wanted to share some sales with you too, because this stuff sold super fast. This is also, this is a set of 2 very, very large 26-inch decorative pillows. These were returned, so I did only ask $13 for these, but these were also claimed really quick. So I feel like there's missed opportunity for other platforms because, and I don't want to say it's greed. I don't want to say it's greed, but why wouldn't other seller platforms do this? Because like I just said, for the first time in a long time, I am considering getting back on Whatnot. And now here's the funny thing. I'm not considering getting on Whatnot for Black Friday, although now that I'm thinking about it, maybe I should. Should I get on Whatnot Black Friday? Should that be my comeback? Let me know down in the comments. Should I get on Whatnot for Black Friday? Could I? Should I? Should I get on Whatnot on Black Friday? Oh my gosh. See, I was just kind of getting towards like, I am intrigued again because Whatnot like jumped out at me because it literally sent me a notification. It was like, hey, guess what? No fees. Woo, no fees. Come back. And it literally just like popped in my brain again. I'm like, oh, maybe I should get on Whatnot. It wasn't even just because, oh, I could have 0% fees. It wasn't about that. It was just about, hey, Whatnot is trying to intrigue sellers to get back on the platform. Maybe I should go get back on Whatnot. But now I'm thinking maybe I should get on Black Friday. Let me know down in the comments below. If I get an overwhelming response of people wanting me to get on Whatnot for Black Friday, put it down in the comments, let me know. Also, let me know what time works for you and what time zone you're in, because I could probably do Black Friday. I could probably figure it out. I'd have to move some things around. I can't make any promises, but if you want to see me on Whatnot Black Friday, let me know down in the comments and let me know what time works best for you. That way I could see if I can try to get on when everybody wants to get on. Anywho's, I had these 2 items sell to the same local customer. These are fantastic customers of mine. They just had a new grandbaby born, and so she bought this really pretty diaper convertible bag kind of thing, and also this little baby play gym. I'll try to put up some images so you could see. They paid $12 for the baby gym and $15 for the diaper bag. So back to back, instantly made $27 off of these, and I paid $5 for each of these items. Oh yeah, I guess I should be like telling you guys how much I paid for things, right? Because that's important to know. Yeah, so as you guys probably remember, my sourcing costs went up. This all came on $5 day. I did decide to go to $5 day this week. I wasn't able to go to $3 day because it was Veterans Day and Benjamin was home from school, and Mondays are just becoming way too crazy busy, so I didn't want to take him out in all of that chaos. So everything I paid $5 for. And this is a set of 2 wall-mounted mug racks I sold for $13. But this right here, this video is my PSA to other selling platforms that might be listening to me, which I have a feeling Whatnot, I have a feeling you're listening to me. I have a feeling Whatnot is listening to me. I don't know if eBay is still listening to me. They might have like written me off after I got all extra pissy with them. I don't know. But eBay, if you're listening, you should really consider doing some sort of an incentive, some sort of a push, like maybe a listing goal, putting a certain amount of new items on the website in a certain period of time gets you a discounted fee. This many new items over this period of time, then you have discounted fee rate or something like that. That'd probably be impossible to do because then people could just do sell somewhere on their listings. I don't know. I'm just like throwing stuff at the wall to see if it sticks. Do some sort of seller incentive, because man, sellers are what makes the platform go round. Without the sellers, eBay has nothing to sell. And so I just really wish that they would do some sort of incentive. And I think that's where all of these other platforms are just going to start outperforming eBay, because they're doing things to incentivize sellers to come to the site and sell. 0% fee for Whatnot definitely got my attention. This is a heavy duty pot and pan organizer. These always perform really well for me. Sold lightning speed at $13. And then I think that is all that's sold. Yeah, I still have 4 items that did not sell yesterday, so I'm just gonna leave those up here and continue my final thoughts on this matter. Let me know, is a 0% seller's fee, is that enticing enough for you? What do you wanna see some of these platforms do? Tell me down in the comments, what do you wanna see these platforms do to incentivize sellers to be more productive on their site, to keep us from becoming complacent and bored and just over all of the effort. You know what I mean? Like some of these seller platforms, there's just so much effort you have to put into it. It's like, you know, it would just be nice to just be incentivized a little bit, even just a little bit, just be incentivized to work a little bit harder on the website. And I know that you could say, well, the incentive that you get is money. like if you work hard on the platform and you sell stuff, you get money. That's the incentive. There's absolutely no reason for a platform to give you any other incentive other than the fact that you are making money when you sell stuff. I beg to differ, because we've got options now. You know, we as sellers, there's lots of options with platforms now. We have many options. I mean, just off the top of my head, we've got Amazon, which I don't really like selling on Amazon, so we'll just pretend like I didn't say that. But I mean, that's got to be at the top, because Amazon is like the #1 place to freaking buy right now. There's eBay, there's Poshmark, there's Mercari, there's Whatnot, there's Depop, there's District, Jamble. There's probably some other ones I haven't even thought of yet. If I didn't mention one, put it down in the comments and you guys will see how many stinking platforms there is to buy and sell on. Not only that, but the way people are buying stuff is changing. People are definitely loving this whole live selling platform thing. eBay has to keep up with that too. Like eBay needs to launch some sort of live selling feature. Otherwise, they're just going to get left in the dust. We've got platforms giving us seller incentives, lower fees, live selling capabilities. And what's eBay doing for us? eBay, what you doing for us? What are you doing for us, eBay? But anyway, Let me know down in the comments below, what do you think? What do you think? This is also a time where I'm going to give you guys a chance to promote yourself in my comment section. If you are a whatnot seller and you are planning to go live on Black Friday, leave your information down in the comments below. If you are a buyer that is looking to support other resellers, Black Friday is going to be a really good time to do that because the people selling on Black Friday on Whatnot are not going to have to pay seller fees. They're going to be able to keep all of their money. So if you are wanting to support other resellers and get some good deals, check out the comment section below, see what sellers are going live on Black Friday. And if you want me to try to go live on Black Friday, let me know down in the comments below. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, comments leave down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Ring the notification bell, that way you're notified whenever I post my next video. Don't forget to check out the video description. I always put a lot of useful information in there. I will also include a link to sign up for Whatnot if you would like to apply to be a seller. I have a referral link down there. I will also go ahead and link my Whatnot down there if you want to go follow me over on Whatnot to see if I happen to go live on Black Friday. You can also check out my Facebook page if you are at all interested to see how I sell on Facebook in real time. You can also join in on the fun and put sold in the comments because I do ship now. So if you'd like to be a customer of mine on Facebook and see what kind of cool stuff I got, the link will be down in the video description. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.